A new Social Security payments date is coming up on January 28, 2026. And many people are asking the same question: who is eligible, how much will the payment be, and why are same reset getting paid more than this month? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the $5,181 Social Security payment, the January 2026 payment schedule, and 2.8% COLA increase, and why each SSI resets may receive multiple checks. The $5,181 payment represents the maximum Social Security benefits available in 2026. This amount is only paid retirement who meet very specific requirements. These including earning the maximum taxable income for the least 35 years and delaying Social Security benefits until age 17. Most Social Security receipts will be received less than the amount. However, the good news is the all eligible beneficiary will I see the increase January 2026 due to the new cost of living adjustment. Social Security benefits are paid on Wednesdays and your payment date depending on your birth date of birth. According to the Social Security Administration, officially January 2026 scheduled January 14, 2026, the birthday between the 1st and 10th. January 21, 2026, birthday between the 11th and 20th. January 28, 2026, birthday between the 21 and 31. And so if your birthday fall in the last third of the month, January 28 is your payment date. Good news of 2026, 2.8% cost of living adjustment, also known as a COLA, officially went into effect in January. According to the SSA, the increase means the average monthly benefit rise of about $56. The increase is already including January 2026 payments. So if your checks feel slightly bigger than this month, that the COLA is doing its job. This is where many people get confused. Supplementary security income SSI follow a different payment schedule. SSI is usually paid on the first day of the month, but when that day fall out, weekend or holiday payment are issued early. In December 2, SSI received two payments. One payment on December 1st for December and another payment on December 31 for January. Because of the early payment, there is no separate SSI check issued during January for that month. To avoid confusion, the Social Security Administration recommends checking in My Social Security account online to confirm payment dates on benefits amount. If this video is help you understand your January 2026, thanks for watching this video.